Hey, curious kids, it's time for Science Thursday with Dr. Martha. Let's get started. Before we start science, you want to make sure that you are wearing clothes that your parents say is okay to get dirty. You also want sleeves that are not going to get in your way, so let's roll these up before we get started. Today's science activity comes from 365 science activities published by Usborne Publishing and distributed by PaperPie Learning. This week, we are talking all about air pressure. So, what you need for your experiment is one empty plastic bottle, boiling water, a freezer, and time. Let's get started. Step 1, pour some of the boiling water into the plastic water bottle. Ask a parent for help if you need it with this step. The water is hot. Put the cap back on and just leave it just for a minute. Now we're going to swirl it around and get everything good and hot inside this water bottle. Now water bottles are pretty easy to squish, don't you think? But do you think that air could ever squish a water bottle just by itself, like just the normal air outside? What do you think would happen? Let's find out. After a few minutes, you're going to open that up and pour that hot water carefully down the sink. Be careful not to burn yourself. Put the cap back on, and now we're going to put this water bottle in the freezer. Now we wait. I can hear science happening in there. Put your ear up to your freezer and see if you can hear it too. Okay, let's go see what happened. Check it out, y'all. It got squished just by air. That's because the hot air that was inside the bottle cooled down and contracted. It got more dense. And the air, the warm air around the bottle, was then able to smush the bottle because the air pressure inside the bottle was lower than the air pressure outside the bottle. And it's all because we changed the temperature inside the bottle. How's that for science? Now it's your turn.